What happened to Tralalero Tralala?
I'll pretend to be a smoothie doctor. Time to give Tralalero Tralala his special shot. Let's add some juice boost. Drink this, Tralalero Tralala.
Alright folks, the Tung Tung Sahur tutorial you've been waiting for is finally here. A lot of people have told me they're having trouble generating Tung Tung Sahur and his friends with AI tools. But don't worry, I've got 2 solid methods for you. Method 1, OpenArt AI. Click on the Characters tab on the left, and boom, you'll see all the Tung Tung Sahur characters already built in. Click Create, and yeah, you'll need a subscription to use it. But OpenArt does way more than just generate characters. It can create images, edit them, color grade, generate videos, and even train your own model to stay consistent. If you're already a member, awesome. If not, and you've got a little budget and want to go deeper into AI content, it's definitely worth trying out. The link is in the video description. Check it out if you're interested. Now, if you're like me and haven't upgraded OpenArt yet, then you definitely don't want to miss Method 2, ChatGPT. What? Your ChatGPT isn't working well? That's because you're not using it the right way. There's a little trick to it, so pay close attention. Now I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to complete the entire process in one go, including writing the story, generating image prompts, creating the voiceover lines, and generating the images. And hey, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, now's a great time to hit that button. It helps me a ton. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a story. First, we'll study a reference channel. It only has 58 short videos, and already has almost 700K subscribers. The views? Insane. One of the videos has over 36 million views, and the rest? Also performing really well. Someone asked me if that channel is monetized. Yes, it is. Confirmed. Let's take a look at their highest viewed video. It's just a few seconds long. Still images, special effects, and voiceover. No video-to-video generation. That makes it much simpler, right? And it's not just YouTube. Tung Tung Sahur is also going viral on TikTok. So yes, you can upload to TikTok too. But if you want to earn money from TikTok, you'll need to join the Creator Rewards program. That has a few requirements. If you don't want to waste time getting qualified, check out this website. They offer ready-made accounts, and they're on sale now. Links in the description. Back to YouTube. You can totally mimic their story structure. But don't know how to write a story? No worries. I've already done the prep work. I've created a Google Doc just for you. You can find the WhatsApp link in the video description. Click it to access the doc directly. Just copy my prompt and story template, send it to ChatGPT, and boom, you'll get a brand new story. Of course, you can tweak the prompt to get more variations. Here, ChatGPT gave me 3 new stories, each with 8 scenes. But personally, I thought they were a bit too simple. So let's optimize them. We'll use story 1 as our example. Ask ChatGPT to expand it to 12-15 scenes. Now we've got a fully detailed 15-scene story. Next, send in reference images of Tung Tung Sahur and the other characters to ChatGPT so it can stick to the right design. Then ask ChatGPT to generate detailed image prompts and animation prompts. You can even make every scene animated, a great way to stand out from other channels. Now that we've got the image prompts, step 2, generate the images. In the chat, just click Create Images, then paste one scene's prompt into the box. Bam! First image done. Pretty cool, right? Let's keep going. The second image looks great too. Just repeat the steps for each scene. Once we have all the images, we need voiceovers. There are a bunch of tools you can use, 11 Labs, DubDub, and more. But today, I'm trying something new, Minimax. If you've ever used image-to-video tools, you've probably heard of Hailuo AI. That's Minimax. Before that, send this prompt to ChatGPT. Generate voiceover lines for this story. Now head to Minimax. Click text-to-speech, paste in the voiceover script, clean up any extras, and start with Tung Tung Sahur's voice. Once that's done, create Cappuccino Assassino's voice, pick a voice you like, click Use, and generate. Then do Ballerina Cappuccina the same way. Now that voiceovers are ready, if you're experienced with image-to-video apps, you can animate each image into a short video, totally optional. For this demo, I skipped that part. Final step. Editing in CapCut. Import all the assets. Then drag the images into the timeline one by one. Adjust the canvas. Choose Blur from the drop-down and apply to all. Now add the voiceovers one by one. Add some visual effects to spice it up. I personally love the shake effect. Next, add sound effects. Then generate subtitles. Pick a subtitle style and animation. I recommend adding some animation to each scene to keep it dynamic. I used a mix of zoom and wobble. Then add background music. Trim the extra bits and lower the volume. Last check. If everything looks good, export your video. So what do you think? Pretty easy, right? Of course, you can always polish it further. Add better sound design, smoother animation, or more dramatic voiceovers. It'll make your video even more fun to watch. But since this is a demo, I kept it simple. Now let's take a look at the 2 demo videos I made. This one is the full version from the beginning of the video.
Oh no. What happened to Tralalero Tralala?
I'll pretend to be a smoothie doctor. Time to give Tralalero Tralala his special shot. Let's add some juice boost. Drink this, Tralalero Tralala.
Why is my stomach bubbling?
No! Tralalero! Tralala's been juiced! Nurse, someone help!
I'm here. Hold on. It was yo, chimpanzini bananini.
Yes, I fooled you all.
Justice time, chimpanzini bananini. Like the video if you hate fake doctors.
And this one shows the whole tutorial process in action.
Tonight's her big night, and I wouldn't miss it for the world.
But not everyone came to cheer. That's not tea. That's treachery.
Cappuccina sipped, and something inside her trembled. I watched her step into the spotlight, and something felt wrong. She spun, stumbled, and the room went silent. I didn't think I ran. Bouquet flying, heart racing.
She whispered, "The tea, it was poisoned."
And that's when I saw him slipping into the shadows. The badge, it was him.
She stole my spotlight. Now I take her stage.
That fake medic. Not tonight, foam face. Steel clashed with froth. My baton lit the sky. I wrapped him up like bad reviews on opening night. She danced again. And this time, it was for us.
So, which one do you like better? Drop a comment below and let me know. Alright friends, if you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. That really motivates me to make more tutorials like this. If you have any questions, or if there's a niche you want me to explore, leave a comment. I read every single one. Feel free to stop by my channel often. You might just find your next big idea. Who knows? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck!